Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the account details so you don't guess. Sign out everywhere and clear cache to avoid token conflicts. This forces fresh authentication. Next, open the Minecraft launcher or Xbox app and choose Sign in with Microsoft. When prompted, enter the exact Microsoft email tied to your purchase. That ensures license verification. Once done, allow permission prompts. They link your Mojang profile to Microsoft and unlock cross-platform rights. Now you resolve the middle issues, mismatched accounts and verification. Go to Account, Microsoft. Com and confirm email, security phone, and backup codes. You need them if two-step blocks login. If you originally used a different email for Minecraft, use that one here to link purchases. Next, open your Microsoft profile's order history and match a purchase date to your Minecraft receipt. That proves ownership and helps support if automated linking fails. Make sure all permission prompts have been accepted. Finish by logging into Minecraft and completing the migration or account merge prompts. You must accept data and privacy prompts to finalize the link. If the automated link fails, start Microsoft Account Recovery and attach your purchase evidence, receipt, order date, and transaction ID. Speed up manual recovery. If you still hit errors, disable VPNs, try a private browser or another device, and clear caches again. These common blockers often resolve token or cookie mismatches, so the final sign-in succeeds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.